I don't think there's another place for teachers that is all-inclusive and has so many sponsors and vendors in one place that teach according to, not to make a better technician or things like that, but to help us teach students in the classroom fundamentals and things to make our program better.
So coming here, I get a vast amount of information, product availabilities, and technical hours, as well as some products and services that I did not know about that I needed to learn about for my class and instructions.
It's different, you know, there's all kinds of conferences, but there aren't many that really focus on instructors. Our instructors are the unsung heroes of the industry, I would say. You know, you don't get into being an automotive or transportation service instructor for the money. It's because of the passion. And it's amazing the stories that I hear from people who worked in their profession. They were senior master technicians, they were ready for a change, and they wanted to give back. And part of their giving back is they come into this side of it to help these young people come up the way that they did, because they had mentors. They think of themselves as mentors and are able to affect more through these classes. And so this conference is unique in that you bring all of these people together. They have this passion, and we're there to help them. And so that's part of why we have classes, you know, from vehicle networking to how you interact with students in your classroom. It's all of those tools that you need, whether they literally be tools for working on a vehicle to tools you need to be successful in the classroom and to help them be their most effective.